Okay, this would not be a tips and tricks video without some camera tricks, and this one in iOS 18 is really cool, and that is the ability to pause your video recordings. To do this, just record a video like you normally would, and now there is a new pause icon in the bottom left. Just tap that to pause your video recording. Now, this won't end the recording, it will just pause it until you're ready for your next shot. Then, to resume recording, just press the red circle in the bottom left. And you can do this as many times as you want and cut away to a bunch of different things, and it will all stitch together without you having to edit it yourself. And when you want to finish the recording, just press stop recording in the middle. Another great tip with the camera, and I know a lot of people have been waiting for this one, is that in iOS 18, it will no longer pause the audio you're listening to when you go to record a video. So you can still listen to your music, a podcast, or a YouTube video, or whatever, while you're recording video in the camera app. And iOS 18 no longer automatically pauses your media. This should be enabled by default now, but if it isn't, or if you want to revert back to the old settings, just go to Settings, scroll down to Camera, tap on Record Sound, and then if you want to allow audio playback when recording a video, make sure it is toggled on, or if you want to revert back to the old settings and have it pause, make sure it's toggled off. I really hope this video helped you out. I hope you found some cool features that you want to share with your friends and family. Please like this video, and hey, make sure you're subscribed for that, and hey, thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.